Okay, the plan for this morning is make some short crust pastry and make a quiche. 225 grams of plain flour, half a teaspoon of salt, 150 grams of cold butter, cubed. Then rub the butter into the flour. Keep rubbing until you get breadcrumb consistency. It's all rubbed in. I'm going to throw in some mixed herbs as it's a savoury pastry. Make sure there's some air in it, lift it up to air it up. Mix in all the herbs. Crack one egg and beat it. In a well, incorporate it into the pastry. Add a tablespoon of cold water and let's work it together. Don't want to overwork it, just don't want to build up the gluten. Okay, that's going to need to be left to rest. Okay, pastry has chilled for an hour. Now to give it a roll out. Floured the work surface, a bit of flour on the pastry and the rolling pin. See if I can roll this out. It seems very short, which is going to be lovely, but I'm going to have to be careful with it. Okay, transferred it in, pressed it down, a little shorter than I would like. Giving it a slight prick. I'm going to line it and put in some baking beads. Okay, oven is preheated. Ceramic baking beads going in. Okay, let's pop this in the oven to blind bake. And for the filling, 250 ml of milk, 2 eggs, and beat. Season with some salt, pepper, and a bit of parmesan. For the filling, I'm going to start with an onion, chopped, some fresh rosemary from the garden, and some sweetcorn removed from the husks, some hard-cut sausages. This is now all going to be fried off before it's put into the pastry case that has been blind baked. Okay, I'm going to add the sausage, sweetcorn, onion mixture to the blind baked quiche. Make sure I get all the meat in first. Spread it all out, press it all down, add some grated red Leicester. 25 minutes later and it's baked. I think I could have done a better pastry. It was a bit too short, so I think there's some cracks in it and maybe some of the filling has leaked, but it looks tasty and it'll be great for dinner tonight. Lovely. Thank you.